Hello lovely people and welcome to Trinket Corner. Today we're making a couple of bookmarks. For the first one, I take plastic mushrooms for jewelry making and a metallic pendant frame. I paint the mushrooms with acrylic paint and let it dry. I cut some stabilized moss, mix it with PVA and place it on the metal frame. Then with same PVA I glue on mushrooms and a couple of beads. I let it dry for 24 hours. I apply a very thin layer of PVA only on the moss. Then I pour green glitter. To fix the glitter, I use spray glue. For the second bookmark, I will be using UV resin. I only use 1 drop of dye because I wanted to keep its transparency. I apply a thin layer of resin on the bottom of the mold. Then I add tiny steampunk gears for nail art. I dry everything under UV lamp and repeat over and over until my mold is full. I cut earring hook in half and use it as a hanger for my future bead. This is how it looks when it's completely dry. I use pliers and jewelry making rings to attach my crescent pendant and several steampunk gears together. For some overlapping parts, I use gem glue. Then I hang my UV resin hemisphere. When everything is dry, I use bits of chain to attach my trinkets onto metallic bookmark hooks. As usual, I will include links to everything I have used in the description box. Please enjoy the final result. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, give it a thumbs up, comment, and don't forget to ring notification bell.